Hi, this is Doug Hutchins with Kentwood Real Estate here with the January 2022 Castle Pines market update for the original communities. It's been a red hot market in Castle Pines as well as the rest of Metro Denver over the last couple years. The January average home price is up almost 23% over January of 2021. It's been an unprecedented run up in home prices in the city of Castle Pines as well as Metro Denver. The big question a lot of people are asking is, when will this slow down and are we bubbling the market? Are we going to have a big collapse in prices? And I have some great data here that I'm going to show you in some different charts that supports the fact that we shouldn't see home prices fall anytime soon. The big driver of the market right now is that we've got low inventory in the city of Castle Pines as well as Metro Denver. At the end of December, there were actually no homes for sale in the original communities, and at the end of January, we had 4 homes for sale in the original communities. And what this chart here shows you is the orange line is showing you a rolling 12-month average of active listings. Of course, we tend to have more homes on the market in the summer months than the winter months, and that's what the blue lines represent, are the actual ending inventories at each month. But as you can see, really starting in April of 2020, right after the pandemic hit, is when we really started to see inventory levels fall in the city of Castle Pines. And again, we're down to almost unprecedented levels of few homes for sale in the city. The next chart here that I have shows you several different things. It shows you the active listings, which are the orange line here. The blue line represents new listings coming on the market, and the green line represents sales on an annualized basis or on a monthly basis. And what you'll see here is that the orange line has obviously fallen off a cliff over the last 2 years. And that's because, again, we're seeing very consistent sales, or we're seeing homes selling and eating up any existing inventory. And the blue line, the new listings, you'll see has converged basically over the last 12 months. And the fact that we have 2 or 3 fewer homes coming on the market each month, even though demand is staying the same, is what's causing our inventory levels to fall down to these unprecedented levels. And if you look, typically that green line, which is the number of homes sold, stays pretty consistent. And that's one of the things that is interesting, because typically we sell around 200 homes a year in the city of Castle Pines in the original communities. And over the last several years, despite inventory falling down to very low levels, we're seeing the same number of sales, and that's what's driving up our home prices. So if you look here at this next chart, we have comparing average sales prices to the months in inventory. And months in inventory is just a gauge, again, that we use to look at inventory in the marketplace and understanding supply versus demand. And typically you'd expect to see 4 to 5 months in inventory in a market. Once you get below 4 months of inventory, you typically see home prices accelerating. 4 to 5 months would typically say we've got a balanced market where home prices stay flat. And as you look here at this chart, once we hit April of 2020 to May of 2020, this inventory level just started to fall off a cliff. And as it did, we see the average home prices going up substantially. And if you look right now, we're running around half a month of inventory. So again, people are worried about prices and a bubble in the market, but realistically, there's just not enough inventory in our market to help home prices drop. The big things that'll be driving home prices this next year, again, are limited inventory. If interest rates move up substantially, then we'll probably see a little bit of drop off in buyer demand. But again, with the amount of homes coming on the market and the level of inventory and buyer demand, it just does not seem like we're going to have a price drop or a substantial price drop in the Castle Pines market. We shouldn't see prices run up another 20-25% this next year. We're probably going to see a more moderated price increase, but it's still probably going to be 8 to 12% because of the low level of inventory we have compared to demand. If you have questions about the real estate market in your particular neighborhood in Castle Pines or other parts of Metro Denver, feel free to give me a call at 303-886-3437. We're going to publish this video monthly to give you a quick market update on what's going on in the original communities in the city of Castle Pines. And we'll also post some information about the new communities as well throughout the year. You can always go to our website too, discovercastlepines.com, to learn more about the real estate market in Castle Pines. I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care.